In this quick video, I'll show you how to set a custom opening height for your power tailgate. First, open the tailgate and press and quickly release the closing button on the tailgate itself. This tells the car that this is your new maximum height. It was close. It almost hit the ceiling, but we stopped it just in time. Now press and hold the same closing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear one beep. That confirms the new height is saved. Press the closing button once more to close the tailgate. Let's test it. Open the tailgate again. Perfect. You can see it now stops exactly where we wanted, without hitting the garage ceiling. Now let's close the tailgate, and next let's check how to remove the height limit and go back to full opening height. Open the tailgate. It can be at the limited height or fully open, doesn't matter. Press and hold the closing button for 3 to 5 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. That means the limit has been cleared. Close the tailgate. Then open it again, and as you can see, it now goes all the way up to the factory maximum height. Finally, let's close the tailgate. That's it. Super useful little trick, especially if you park in a tight garage. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.